Cushions in your earmuffs can get damaged and worn over time, affecting comfort and performance. There's good news though. The cushions in your 3M earmuffs can be replaced with a new hygiene kit. Let's get into it. Remove the damaged cushion. Place your fingers on the inside of the cup and pop the cushion off. Remove the foam inside the cup. Select the correct hygiene kit for your earmuff. Insert the new foam into the earmuff cup. Attach the new cushion onto the earmuff cup, pressing firmly around the outside rim to make sure it's firmly secured. Repeat this process on the other side. When replacing the foam and cushions on the 3MX series earmuffs, hold on to the light grey mounting plate, as you'll need this to attach the new cushions. We highly recommend replacing your cushions and foam inserts every 6 months or when they become damaged. Don't forget to check them next time you use them.